July is traditionally National Savings Month in South Africa, and in keeping with that, we do plan a launch at the beginning of July to launch National Savings Month, and then of course we depend on the media coverage we get after that to promote the goals of SASI. This year, however, we took the decision to not to just have the launch. We decided to make it a 2-day event, and within that 2 days, we're holding a savings symposium. We've invited all the key players to present, and then we're going to be having discussions. And at the end of the 2 days, what we hope to get is the tools that we require to take this mandate forward. And that's exactly what the symposium is about. On the goals of SASI, I guess the primary goal would be to inculcate a culture of savings in South Africa. But you cannot do this in isolation. And we realize that hand in hand with this goal goes some sort of education, information sharing, and that type of thing. So what we do have are 3 key initiatives. And again, because of lack of funding, we tend to partner with other people in order to deliver this mandate. Once a year, in July of each year, we partner with the Banking Association of South Africa in their Teach Children to Save campaign, wherein we get practitioners that go into the classrooms and teach basic economics to children. And we're talking about primary school children. And again, this speaks to our belief that the earlier you inculcate these ideas, the value of saving, the better for children. And then towards the end of the year, just when the universities are about to break up, and of course we have an intervention at the beginning of the year as well, particularly for the bursary holding students. We go into the universities and talk to them about budgeting, the importance of budgeting, that the importance of managing the bursaries so that they do have money for the whole year. And then of course at the end of the year, our target audience are graduating students, and we try and appeal to them to become a saver from paycheck one. And that we generally do in collaboration with the Financial Services Board. And then the final intervention we have is the National Festive Season Savings Campaign. What we do is we launch this at the beginning of November, again reminding consumers that there is life after Christmas. There is a new year ahead. There are expenses that will still be there, like school uniforms, school fees, university fees, and basics like transport to get back to work. I mean, many people tend to spend all that money that they receive in December, not realizing that January can be a very long month. And then, of course, we appeal to the people who were fortunate enough to get bonuses to try and use, if you are in debt, use some of that bonus to reduce your debt. Or if you're not in debt, if you're in the happy position that you don't have debt, don't go on a spending spree. Start a nest egg. Start a savings plan. So those 3 are our initiatives, our major initiatives for the year. And of course, the Festive Season Savings Campaign we do in conjunction with the National Credit Regulator and the Financial Planning Institute of Southern Africa.